Hey there, it's Tesla Canuck. This is my first video filming driving in the Model X, believe it or not. And we've actually had the Model X a lot longer than the Model 3. I drive the Model 3, my wife drives the Model X, so that's why most of the videos end up to be Model 3 anyways. But anyhow, today I'm in the Model X because I want to show you a very peculiar display issue that my understanding can happen with either the Model 3 or the Model X. Apparently because of a database that gets corrupted. So let's take a look, and then I'll talk you through my conversation with Tesla support and what they did and what they've asked me to do. Okay, so let's take a look at this issue here. So, on the display, what's happening is that letters are missing. So you can see right here, I'm pointing to this EggSmart location. And you can see it's missing letters. It should say Innisfil Beach Road, Innisfil, Ontario, but it's missing letters. Same thing with all of the addresses that you see here. They're all missing letters. And this issue is actually pervasive across the entire display. So if I go into another area, like let's say right here, we can see release notes. For example, it's missing letters. And basically anywhere you go in the UI, it's going to be randomly missing letters. Okay, so let's talk about my conversation with Tesla support. And first of all, I just want to mention that my support experiences with Tesla have been excellent. I know in the news of late, they seem to be taking a lot of flack, mainly in Europe. I do feel badly if they are having issues in Europe, but I know where I live, anyhow, in Canada, that Tesla support is actually quite excellent. Okay, let's see here. Let me speed up a little bit. I don't know how to use the Model X because I don't drive it very often. But anyhow, I'm on autopilot. There's a car close up behind me, so just sped up a little bit. All right, so anyhow, excellent support. Basically what they've told me to do is that because a database has become corrupt in the media control unit, they've asked me to do a factory reset on the MCU. And I'm going to walk you through that. We're going to do it together. We're going to see if this fixes the problem. So fingers crossed that it's going to fix the problem, because doing a factory reset means that all of the customizations are gone. Like your settings for everything from your addresses, your home link, your profile, possibly the seats. I don't know. We'll find out. But for the most part, I think it wipes everything when you do this. So if it doesn't work, then I'm going to be a little annoyed. But I guess we're going to find out. All right, I've pulled over to a safe location here. So I'm going to initiate a factory reset of the MCU. Let's see how this goes. Oh, what am I doing? Alrighty, let's see here. So where is this actually going to be? It's going to be factory reset right there. So under service, factory reset. So let's do it. Please sign in with your Tesla account, email address, and password. I will be right back, folks. Okay, I'm back. I had to look up my password, which is like 25 characters. So let's get started. I'm ready to press continue. Let's go. Okay. I've never actually done a factory reset, so this is the first time. Let's look through it together, just in case you ever need to do this. Or am I sure I want to erase my personal information? Well, not really, but I kind of have to. Can't be undone. Yeah, okay. I'm not transferring ownership, so good. Okay, great. Let's reset. It's very quiet. It's thinking. Not sure how long this will take. I might have to fast forward this a little bit. It's taken a while. It must be running on Windows. I'm just joking. Just joking, Windows fans out there. It's probably running on Linux or something. All right, we're at approximately the 3-minute mark. It looks like the factory reset is still in progress. There isn't any type of a progress bar anywhere. The screen that's in front of the driver is still on, and there's no status indicator there either. In the older Model X, this is a 2017, the systems were separate between the display in front of the driver and the media control unit here in the center dash. So I believe that's been changed recently, so they're now controlled by the same computer. Okay, something just happened. It looks like the screen behind, or sorry, in front of the driver here is rebooting. Okay, we've got both screens rebooting. We've got wipers coming on. Let's see here. Air conditioning just went off. That's not good. Okay, the air conditioning has come back on. That's great. The screen in front of the driver here is on. Oh, now it's off. It's coming back on. Okay, factory reset complete. I'm not doing a transfer of ownership. That's good. Okay. So let's see what's happening. Oh, I'm in Palo Alto now. So the Model X has turned into a time machine. I am no longer in Canada, folks. I'm in Palo Alto, United States, at the Tesla headquarters. Obviously, we have to wait for the GPS to kick in. All right, I just put an address in, CN Tower. Still thinks I'm in Palo Alto. So while we're waiting for the GPS to find the vehicle, let's just kind of go over a few things so you can see after the factory reset that indeed all the profiles have been wiped from the car. So that obviously means that your seat settings, all that type of stuff is all gone. Your home link is gone. So as expected, just about everything is gone. So it looks like it's corrected the issue though. So now it's showing the full address. So CN Tower. So it looks like Tesla support was obviously right, that there was a corrupt database, and a factory reset just at first glance here would seem to have, yes, so now we can see full release notes. So it looks like Tesla's recommended solution has worked. A little bit of a drawback in that all the settings are gone. But that being said, let's talk about the service and support experience here. So basically, a call to the service center, a description of the issue. They asked me to email some pictures to them, which I did. And a day later, they came back and said, here's the problem. We ran a remote diagnostic. It looks like there's a database that's corrupt. You're going to have to do a factory reset. And it worked. So in terms of any time and effort from myself to get this problem resolved, 10-minute phone call, a few minutes to put together a couple pictures and email them. I didn't have to be inconvenienced by going to the Tesla store. So it's fantastic. I mean, the Rangers didn't even have to come and visit. So it is amazing what Tesla can do over the air, right? Diagnose something, tell you what the problem is, give you a solution for it. I just wish we didn't have to erase all of our profiles and all that kind of stuff. But I can live with that for the savings of the inconvenience of having to take my car somewhere like I would have with a traditional vehicle from an ICE manufacturer. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So Tesla Canuck, over and out.